Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Mike Foster here, and today I'm gonna try Cheetos Puffs Cheese Pizza. What? This is an episode of Mike Tries. I hope they're good. Check it out. All right, are these gonna taste like cheese pizza? Let's try it. It's a tough job, someone's gotta do it. There you go. Makes you smile, doesn't it? All right, all in. Now Cheetos, sad. Cheetos taste pretty good. I don't know why you have to mess them up with trying to flavor them, because everyone's trying to, you know, be different. I taste a tinge of maybe a tomato sauce. Of course they're cheese because Cheetos are loaded with cheese. It's another close-up. You can tell by my face, these are delicious, right? I guess if you're drunk watching football and these are in a bowl, you'd probably eat a few. But if you're completely sober and doing a video, Cheetos, your new cheese pizza flavor. Oh. Thumbs down. Not very good at all. Check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Pizza? No. Wow. Baba.